We came back to Wyming Brook yesterday.
Yeah.
With the wife and the children, and I didn't bring my camera, so I wanted to come back again today. So I've dragged the boy out with me, and he's been bored out of his brain. But we've come back, and I've had a good day. And have you had a good day, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah, you haven't at all.
I have.
He hasn't at all.
I have.
So we've come back to get a few shots again, and I haven't got as many shots as I did over there, but I've still got some decent ones, I reckon. So yeah, done a few little videos, and I did actually get some waterfalls this time.
Yeah.
Which last time I said there were waterfall here, but I didn't get a proper picture of a waterfall. So hope you enjoy them. This is only my second video, and I'm sure my videos will get a little bit better. So yeah, just enjoy, and thank you for watching.
Thank you.
A good day.
I've actually had a good day. Now we're going to go back to the van, which this is the car park, but our van is not here. We're going to have to go all the way up there and down there, and we'll be back at the van.